I'm Justin, the Systems and Strategy Manager at Playforce, and we do playground inspection and maintenance. We also extend that to skate parks, fitness equipment, parkour, and other council facilities. Inspection goes into different types and different levels. So we have routine inspections, where there's just visual checking for obvious hazards. We have operational, where we go into more detail and look at the operations of the equipment. And then we go into comprehensive, where we do a full compliance audit of the space. When it comes to maintenance, we do all sorts of proactive and reactive maintenance, depending on the client and the different type of playgrounds. In addition to that, we do impact attenuation testing, and that's where we use sophisticated equipment to test the playground surfaces to make sure they're compliant with Australian standards. Our typical customers are local government, so councils, schools, early learning centres, pubs, clubs, anyone who operates a playground. A typical day when things were paper-based were paper job cards, which then transitioned into spreadsheets and emails, but it was still very difficult to manage. We had a lot of lost data and miscommunication on the different fields and what they meant, and the knock-on effects were pretty real. We could delete some columns, rows, and not really know until much further downstream. We would do an inspection on site, and it wouldn't be a week, sometimes 2 weeks, until we actually get the report to the customer. It was very difficult to keep everyone aligned between the office and the field. We couldn't make accurate decisions, the data wasn't there or is inaccurate and hard to go through. We realised it wasn't sustainable when we had an increase in management staff and more hands in the spreadsheets. So the more hands, the more missing data and the more inaccurate data. We tried a few solutions before going to Creator, many off-the-shelf solutions, mainly in CRM, field management services, but nothing really hit the spot, or nothing off the shelf really suited what we do. We were looking for something that was customizable to how we work. We didn't want to change what we do to suit the system. We just wanted a system to work around us. Zoho Creator clicked for us because it was so easy to use, and it was something that we could start very small and build as we grow. Getting started with Creator as a low-code platform was actually really easy. You know, turning a spreadsheet into a form and a report was simple. Before getting my hands on Creator, there was no developer experience. But I'm glad to say that now with Deluge script inside Creator and everything, I call myself somewhat of a citizen developer. So we've built a custom business management system we call Insight. It starts from CRM, like prospecting and customer relationship management, through to accounts, estimating, job management, safety, all the way through to billing at the end. Now that we've got Creator, the job management process starts all the way from prospecting, where we enter leads. Leads come in automatically from various places. We then manage the customer relationship there. We send it on to estimating, where estimating now has some AI workflows that utilize historical information to develop accurate estimates. From there, once a client approves the process, we then create a job. During the job creation, we create a job card. The job card is then accessed by the field team, and the field team are able to add any type of records like job, hours, materials, take photos. That's also integrated with Google Drive, and there's a place where they can see plans or any information about the job. From there, when a job's done, they let our coordinators know, and the coordinators can seamlessly do a QA check by looking in that Drive folder, checking photos, hours, materials, before they send an invoice. Now, invoicing is really super easy. They just do a one-click button, it collates all that information, and then sends an invoice through Xero off to the customer. It was really important to have everything in one system for our business, because it means having to train people less on different platforms, less subscription costs across different platforms. We don't have to worry about integrations between different systems or not being able to integrate due to platform limitations. But now we can see it all and all in one spot. If I was to quantify it, I'd probably look at it in terms of revenue. I think when we started, we were about a 1 million revenue, and we've been able to scale up to over 10+ million revenue, We maintain and improve the Creator platform internally now. We do have an internal developer, but that's because we've pushed the boundaries of Zoho Creator to its full limits and used the full platform to its potential. Now with Zoho Creator, we can make changes instantly. What used to take a couple of days or a week is now done same day, couple of hours, very quickly. Zoho Creator has allowed us to build something that's totally customizable, that scales with our business.